Good morning, students. Welcome back to mathematics class, chapter 5, shapes and patterns. In previous classes, we have learned about shapes, plane shapes and solid shapes. Let us move today's topic. Today's topics are rolling and sliding and patterns. What is rolling? Rolling means the objects with round surface roll. For example, a log of wood rolls. Let us move next topic, sliding. The objects with a flat surface is slide. A suitcase slides. Circle the objects which slide and color the object which roll. This activity for you, page number 50. Let us move our next topic, patterns. Children, what is pattern? Pattern means the above arrangement showing a sequence of square, circle, and so on. So, this arrangement is known as pattern. Let us see how can arrange these patterns. Complete the following pattern as shown. Here few stars are given. Few stars are in green color and few stars in grey color. One grey star, then one green star. Again grey star and one green star. Again grey star, then next which color will come? Yes, green. Again grey. Then again green.